Hello, my dear friends. My name is Arhan Jain. I am a student from TinkerCoders. I am 11 years old and I study at DPS Sushant Lok Gurgaon. Today I would like to present my Pi Hackathon project, Safe Environment for the Mankind. Now I actually acknowledge the fact that the humanity is increasing towards the future through AI, meaning artificial intelligence and programming only. And so we really need to find ways how can we convey some important messages to the people living in this world through programming only. And that's why I made this project. Some other people need to know why this is so important and why they should do it. And now I'll talk about my inspiration. So about the inspiration for this project, I really didn't get any inspiration. I just came up with it. But how I came up with it, I'll tell you exactly why. So you must have done some kind of projects at school, like how to save the environment, how to save electricity and all those beautiful stuff. And I thought, why not implement the stuff which we learn at school? Why don't we import it into programming? Yeah, that's what I exactly thought, and that's how I came up with this idea. So this project contains information on how to save the environment. It has some key points and it also contains some cool animations to make this project interactive to other people. Now I would like to present this project to you. One second. Yeah, so look at this. I made this project using the turtle package for the animations, and this project actually has 112 lines, as you can see at the bottom part. And now I will run this program to show you what it exactly is. One second. Yeah, so first it will play an animation. Beautiful, it's now drawing a tree. Okay, it has drawn the tree. Now right here, topic, save environment for the mankind by me. Let us see how to save the environment for the mankind. There is a major term called the 3 R's, and those are reduce, reuse and recycle. We should always follow it. It will be a good thing for you only. First, never get plastic bags from shops. Bring your own bags from home if you have available. This will reduce the usage of plastic. Reduce the use of plastic products as much as possible. Third, try cutting trees as less as possible and keep planting new trees and plants for the environment and oxygen, obviously. Fourth, try utilizing things which can be reused again and recycle old materials to get something new out of it, to avoid buying other items which have practically no use. Because if you can reuse and recycle old materials, wouldn't be that just saving the materials? Am I correct? Then like a factory workers would have to produce less of these items, and that's how the environment can be saved, right? Sixth, fifth, only buy what you need. Otherwise, you might end up wasting some of it. Yeah, never buy anything extra. If you wasted, like you bought extra fruits and vegetables, if you buy extra and you don't eat them and throw it in the like a dustbin or something like that, wouldn't it be just a complete waste of food produce? That's the point. Six, whenever you find garbage lying somewhere, pick it up and throw it in garbage. Keep the environment clean. Now see this sixth point. If you pick and throw the lying garbage on the streets in the garbage, it will actually make the environment look more beautiful. Yes, it will also beautify the environment. Seventh, we need to keep our homes clean as well. Always have proper sanitation in your homes. You have to manage both outside and inside clean. Eighth, always remove water lying at random places. This water can become a breeding ground for mosquitoes. And if you don't remove this water and mosquitoes come, They'll bite you and you don't want that to happen, so follow this step. Ninth, save electricity and water to reduce the use of natural resources. Use electric cars to reduce pollution. Now see, we need to save electricity and water to reduce the use of natural resources. We know that, but still sometimes electricity can be wasted a little bit for the sake of reducing pollution at least. 10th, last but not the least, we should always tell these points to other people in order to save the environment. If we tell these points to other people will be aware and influenced by these points, and other people will start to do what I have mentioned the points right here. And because of with all this, the environment can become more beautiful. And if people are ready by their heart to do all of this, the environment can become a very good place. Right now it's a very good time to save the environment. I'm conveying this message to other people by I'm conveying this message to other people in Python programming only. And thank you for seeing my project on how to save the environment for the mankind by me, Arhan Jain. Make sure to like this video, comment something about it, and share it with other people so that they can be aware on what's going on. Thank you and have a nice day. Peace out.